Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be playing Warzone Mobile using iPhone 15 Pro Max and using Flydigi Apex 2. As you can see, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go, let's start.
Get ready.
So first we have to connect our Flydigi Apex 2 to our iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's open Flydigi Apex 2. Just click the pairing button and letter B. We'll start linking. Let's go to our Bluetooth. Hold the Bluetooth. As you can see, it's connected, so press and hold this. So as you can see, it's now connected. The Flydigi Apex 2 is in classic mode, so you can only use Flydigi Apex 2 playing Warzone Mobile as a normal gamepad. You cannot use the Flydigi app here in iPhone 15 Pro Max that has iOS 17. We cannot use the gyroscope of the Flydigi Apex 2, but we can use the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So in order to do that, go to settings, controls, gameplay. It's down here. See here, gyroscope. You can set the sensitivity of the gyroscope here. For me, the global sensitivity horizontal is 3 and the ADS sensitivity multiplier is 1.6. so you can set this up to your preferred sensitivity. So we will now play Battle Royale. A for jump. Let's go. So as you can see here, it has a corresponding buttons for corresponding actions. What? No. It's too early. No, not yet, it's too early. Wala pa akong baril. I don't have any guns yet. So you can use the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the Y is the change of guns, X is the reload, Y is jump, A is jump, B is for crouch and slide, left trigger is the aim, right trigger is the fire, and RB is the grenade, and LB is the another throwables. You can use the gyroscope with the wait. So yeah, Aiming is very easy while using the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. What? You traitor! Traitor! It's easier to aim using the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I really suggest that if you will use gamepad, enable the gyroscope of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. No. I don't have any guns, my goodness. Wala nang baril. Why? If you want to use the armor, just press and hold the letter Y. I don't want to engage because I don't have any ammo. See? Very good. Wait, wala na. So that's all for Battle Royale here in Warzone Mobile using iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, it's iPhone 15 Pro Max and Flydigi Apex 2. By the way, you can only use Flydigi Apex 2 as a normal gamepad controller because Flydigi app doesn't work with iOS 17. So sorry, the system does not support iOS 13.4 or above. So iOS 13.4 above does not support the Flydigi app. So that's the reason why we cannot use the Flydigi app. So but you can still use the Flydigi Apex 2 as a normal gamepad. So that's it. Warzone Mobile has a controller support and you can use any gamepad that you have. That's it for now, and I hope that you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please to subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one, DIY tutorials, reviews and contents. That's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.